Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Saturday, January 27th, 2018. I'm going to kick us around here for a second. Very cloudy day today here at the homestead. We're supposed to get some rain starting this afternoon, but it's been real mild. We've had a lot of things melting off here, which is absolutely awesome. I'm okay with that. Alright, so real quick, let me go over this real quick. With the two more panels added on and hooked in, it has definitely given us a little more of a boost as far as production as solar goes. And as you can see, I got the blocks on there so that it helps keeping them down in place, so we're not having any issues with that. And so that is what we're doing for the time being. It's not going to stay like this because I'm going to eventually, obviously, as you guys know, I'm going to get the mount put in and end up putting panels up on the mount. Okay, so and I've talked to a company about that, and I will get into more detail about that down the road here. But so I'm going to definitely be having something delivered that I'm actually going to be able to put 20 panels into one rack. So it is going to be well, we have 15 panels all together right now. Okay, so there's 6 there, there's 6 on here, and then I have the 3 other panels to go on. So I have 15 panels for right now, and so I will be able to put up a rack where I'm going to actually be able to add on to it and add on another 5 panels down the road. But so anyway, I spent part of the day today. It is, let me tell you what time it is here now. Actually, it's 1:14 right now. I went up with Greg this morning, and we emptied some buckets and got them back, filtered them, and just started to cook another batch. We ended up getting about 40 gallons of sap, and so we started doing a cook. He had like 30 gallons already there waiting, so we used the older stuff first, poured that in. It gets filtered like twice before he starts to cook, and we're going to go into more detail on that, and I'll show you more video on that. Hello, Max. And so, but that's what I was doing this morning with him, and we just got a cook started up there. So anyway, hold on, let me do my job here first. Alright, go. Alright, so what we have here. Alright. Generous gift came in the mail. But I'm going to go over this other stuff real quick first. So Greg had given me one of the jars of maple syrup. And so it's excited about having that. Love maple syrup, so especially when you help make it, it's a nice thing. So first of all, let me show you what we got here. This came from the UK, and of course I gotta open this up here. Hold on a second. And this is from one of my subscribers from the United Kingdom. And they sent me a new flag. So this is a little heavier duty material, so I'm hoping that this lasts better than the other ones that I had. But so I'm excited about having that. We're going to add that and get that going and get that up in the spring. That was sent from the United Kingdom, so thank you very much. I appreciate that. That is awesome, and that will go up in the spring with the other flags. So then everything else here came from one of my subscribers. So, I'm going to show you this first. It says Prepper Nurse 1 Homestead. So, and it's got the stethoscope there, which is very, very cool. And let me roll this up to right now. So that's going to get, I'm going to put that someplace. I don't even know where I'm going to put that yet, but we will figure out a spot where that's going to go. So that's pretty neat. And that'll be a nice thing. So that was sent to me by one of my subscribers. So that's very, very cool. And okay, so same subscriber got me a fire pit. So here's the base of it, and then this is, there we go. This thing is huge, okay? So you can see, kind of see the size of that here, and here's the lid for it. That's my cooking surface. So I think I got some place to put my 20-inch pan on with no problem for cooking. So that's the top of it. Okay. They also, here's a grill basket. So I could put that on there, fry up my vegetables and stuff like that, which is very cool. Some fire sticks. And then here's a pit cover protector. So that's going to go over to the top of it once wherever I decide I'm going to put it. That's going to go right over the top and protect it from the weather. Then I also have a ceramic rib rack, so I can put that right on top of there, throw some ribs on there, and they can cook up right on top of there. That is freaking really, really awesome. So it says resistant up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Then this just came as well, and that's the pan. Put stuff in there, cook right on top of there, and that can go anywhere on there, and I'll still have a lot of room. So very, very awesome, very, very thoughtful, and I think this is some kind of a cover as well of something. But yep, so that's what came in the mail. That is absolutely amazing. That is going to be freaking awesome. We have, I think I'm going to end up putting that over where we had the fire here, and I'll keep that right over there. And I think that'll be a perfect spot for that. And so that was where that's going to end up going. But wonderful, wonderful gift. We'll be able to cook out, have a nice little fire pit going there, and just, and it basically says you want to wait for the next day and empty out the ash out of it afterwards after it cools down. But that's absolutely perfect for the summertime. That is going to be so much fun to have that out there, fill it up and just cook away and just have a really nice fire. Cook out, and just it'll be really, really enjoyable. So that is an absolutely awesome gift. Very, very thoughtful, very, very appreciated, I got to tell you. And all the stuff that comes with it there, it's amazing. And like I said, you know, here's the thing, as you guys know, I don't ask for anything. I really don't. And if you guys want to send something, it's always very, very appreciated and very, very thoughtful. And you know, like I said, I appreciate getting the flags as well. I think that is absolutely awesome. That banner is very, very cool. You know, again, guys, I don't even know how to begin to thank you all. The kindness is unbelievable, and it's very, like I said, I never take anything for granted, and I'm very, very appreciative of everything that everybody does, and it means a lot. And I'm really have enjoyed sharing our journey here with everybody at the homestead. And like I said, this year we got a lot going on, and I think it's going to be an awesome year. It's going to be a lot of sharing, and I think you guys are going to really like it, and I think it's going to be pretty wild. But you know, there's going to be a lot going on, and we're going to be doing a lot of stuff this year. So it's going to be a fun, exciting year. And hopefully everything goes, you know, okay, and we have no monkey wrenches thrown in there, but you never know what's going to happen. But we're getting there, you know. And but anyway, so that's what's going on here today at the homestead. Like I said, I was up helping Greg, and he just, you know, I didn't ask him for any maple syrup. I just wanted to help him, and I think it's fun to learn, and it's something really cool. And so he's like, oh yeah, he goes, here's for you, and he hands me a jar of maple syrup. So that's really cool. And so like I said, I went up there and I was helping him today with that. I may go back up because, like I said, he's doing the cook, and he said it'll take about 6 hours to boil that off. So, you know, he's just trying to stay ahead of it. Today, like I said, it's in the 40s. It's getting windier now. We're supposed to get some rain this afternoon, so I don't know exactly what time that's coming, but it's coming. But yeah, so that's what's going on. Just a really kind of a low-key day. Like I said, I was up there helping him out, and I said, oh, I should have brought the camera up with me, you know. But you know, we're just doing that, and there's plenty of video for that coming up, and we'll do some more video of that, and I'll show you that, how, you know, the collecting of it and explaining it, and how it's filtered a couple times before it's even cooked, and it's pretty neat. It's actually pretty neat, the whole process is. And so that's what's going on. But so the panels are both up, and they're wired in, and they're working. Actually doing really well as far as production wise. Even on an overcast day like today, it did really well. So anyway, guys, listen, again, thank you so much for the gifts. Very appreciated. Absolutely awesome. I can't even begin to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like I said, that cook pit is going to be awesome. We'll utilize the crap out of that this summer, and it's going to be awesome. So anyway, listen, guys, thank you so much again. I appreciate it. A lot of new subscribers to the channel, so it had a real big jump this month, and so I appreciate all that support too. And it's nice. Thanks for watching the videos. I really do mean that. It helps the channel out, and like I said, any kind of money that I make off of YouTube actually goes back into the property. So you know, we're just trying to keep going and getting things going and keep working at it. So anyway, again, always appreciated, very thoughtful, and thank you for, you know, the support, just watching the videos and stuff like that. That's awesome. So anyway, guys, I'm going to jump off of here for now. It is, like I said, it's Saturday. I hope everybody's having a good weekend. Remember, guys, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen. And remember, STD, it's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever goals you're trying to reach, you can do it. And the only one that's going to stop you from doing it is yourself. Nobody else can stop you. Okay? So I will talk to you all tomorrow. And have a good day. Hang in there. All right? Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.